सब्सक्राइब करें, प्रेस करें बेल आइकॉन और पाएं मुंबई, नवी मुंबई एवं बॉलीवुड की ताजा तरीन खबरें।
As the coronavirus lingers fear and panic over the world, it has spread rapidly, devouring lives and sparking an alarm worldwide. With too many myths and rumors making its rounds around the virus, people have started raising their concerns about whether the deadly virus can pass between pets and people. While reports suggest that the coronavirus originated from bats, scientists are racing to identify its true source. Coronaviruses are known to infect mammals and birds, and thereby can pose a potentially dangerous threat of jumping to humans. While scientists are hunting to explore those animal hosts wherein the virus can take refuge, animals are grabbing headlines by becoming infected with the coronavirus, raising skepticism about the spreading bane. Here's a list of those animals that have been known to be infected with the coronavirus. 2 cats in New York. 2 cats in the state of New York have tested positive of coronavirus, making them the first confirmed case of pet animals in the US. According to the US Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, the cats are thought to have contracted the virus from infected people in their household or neighborhoods. The cats currently having mild respiratory illnesses are expected to recover soon. 5 tigers and 3 lions in New York. The big cats at the Bronx Zoo have tested positive for the novel coronavirus. According to the Wildlife Conservation Society, a tiger had tested positive earlier on April 5. Now 4 other tigers and 3 lions have been tested positive for the virus. As per latest reports from zoo officials, all 8 cats are doing well, behaving normally and eating well, with their coughs being greatly reduced. A Pomeranian dog in Hong Kong. Health authorities in Hong Kong have confirmed that a 17-year-old Pomeranian is believed to be the first animal in the world to test positive for the novel coronavirus. The dog belonged to a patient infected with coronavirus who has now recovered. However, the dog, who had been quarantined at a government facility, later died, with cause of death being unclear as yet. A German Shepherd in Hong Kong. The German Shepherd owned by a COVID-19 patient in Hong Kong was put in quarantine after it got tested positive for the virus, along with another mixed breed dog from the same residence. Coronavirus scare abandons pets. With scientists still being unclear and reiterating that no evidence has been found yet that felines and canines can spread the virus, reports around the globe reveal that due to misinformation over the fears of coronavirus, masses have been apparently abandoning their pets to empty streets. While Prime Minister Narendra Modi has appealed citizens to feed stray animals, his government has also asked states to ensure that medical help for such animals is treated as an essential service. India's Animal Welfare Board also issued an advisory to all chief secretaries of states and union territories in India to take care for animals amid the coronavirus lockdown. Even as governments are allaying fears and stressing for animal protection and their safety, hundreds of pets in the country are now turning strays, remaining unfed for days, proving that animals are rarely being protected on priority. With Madeline Ravi for EDM TV News.